Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing well. So today I'm going to show you a bag that I received from UCB, that's United Colors of Benetton. It's really pretty pink pastel shade color, and the bag consists of another bag inside it, you can see. So the package is of two. I really like it. So the outer layer, the outer bag is a transparent one, you can see. I will show you the bag that's inside it. Let's see. Okay, so here's the bag. You can see it's also a pastel shade pink color, and Benetton is written over here. The good thing about this bag is a sling bag, and I would personally think it's good to take it into a gym. If you prefer to go to gym, you can carry this there, or else you can also carry it dance classes or any other fitness classes. They can definitely carry this bag. You can carry your bottle, your cleaning naps, anything inside it. And also I really like the color, so I'm obsessed with this color. It's new, that's why. So let's talk about the transparent bag. What I like about this bag is it's transparent and the border is of nude pink shade, so it's really classy when you carry it out, especially college going girls or girls who go into like tuitions, especially school girls can definitely carry this out. It will really look good on you, and you can definitely carry this with any attire. So yes, I really like it. What about you? And rest, I will leave this to you. If you have anything to say regarding this bag, definitely let me know in the comment section. Also, you can let me know in my personal message. And not the least, if you want me to do more videos on bags, clothing, any other thing, you can definitely let me know about it. That's all for today. I hope you all are doing fine. Stay at home and take care of yourself. Bye bye.